How to connect Hisense AC to Wi-Fi. So to be able to connect your Hisense AC to your Wi-Fi, you will need first to install the Connect Live app. So download the Connect Live app directly from the App Store platform or by clicking the link buttons in here. Now create an account using your email address and set a strong password. Read and agree to the necessary terms and conditions and legal documents. You will receive a verification code on your email, so enter it in the app. And then select Add a device and follow the in-app instructions for the particular device you're connecting with, which is your Hisense AC. And then you can go ahead and proceed on accessing this app as your AC remote control. So that is how you can simply and immediately connect your Hisense AC to your Wi-Fi.